Hey, what's going on? A 2013 Ford Fusion, a 1.6 motor turbo. So problem was this car had a coolant leak, and after fixing the coolant leak, the car still said overheating. Like, as soon as you turned it on, that same second it would say overheating, and the car wouldn't go over 2 miles per hour. I'm just gonna go ahead and give a brief summary of how I fixed it. When it comes towards after fixing the leak, and it still wouldn't go over 2 miles per hour, is because the car was in limp mode. Limp mode is the car knows that there's a problem and it doesn't want you to go ahead and make a bigger problem, so it just restricts all the power on the car in order to get you to a safe spot and then tow it to a shop. So to take the limp mode off, what I had to do was take it on the scanner, plug the OBD2 to it, and my code ran was P1299. I got the code, erased it. After erasing it, the car went perfectly fine. Remember, I still fixed the coolant leak as well. And now, for the people who want to know how to fix this coolant leak, where it was coming, because when I met these people, because they wasn't even customers of mine, now they are customers of mine. I see them on the side of an apartment with the hood open, so I helped them out. They were thinking that the water pump was leaking, and I came to realize immediately that it wasn't. The reason why, because the water leak that it had was on the driver's side, which is the right side, and the water pump for the Ford is on the left side, on the passenger side. So now, once I seen the water leak, what it is there's a hose on the driver's side, right above the transmission. Like, the transmission is right here and the engine block is right there. Transmission right here. In order to see it, you have to take off the air intake that goes to the air box. Take 2 flatheads, 2 hoses come off. Take that off, take the air box off, and then now you'll be able to see it once you move some of the wires. And you'll see, if you turn the car on at this point, it's safe. You'll see it's my car, it was a very small leak, so it just started. Now what you're looking for is directly side of the motor. There's a little black plastic piece that has the back of the motor, the heater hose that goes to it, and then to the other side of this plastic piece is another hose that goes to the front of the motor. And right in the center of that hose underneath, you'll see that there's a puddle underneath there, and that's where it's leaking. So all it really is, disconnect the radiator hose, the coolant temperature sensor, and then there's 2 bolts that bolts the actual plastic piece. It's the engine coolant housing. If anybody wants me to show how to do this process, just give me a couple of likes on this, and then I'll call the customer back up and I'll have the car return again, and I'll show you guys how to do it. I'll do a video for you guys. Hit some likes, comments, let me know that you want to see it, and I'll do it. And that is it for the leak. And then now remember, in order to get the car for limp mode, you have to go ahead, make sure you fix the problem already, and put a scanner. Advanced Auto Parts has the scanners for cheap, but you would have to drive it there for free, really. Just give them your ID and they'll let you go out to the parking lot and scan it. Then now erase the code, the car's gonna be perfectly fine. It'll drive like normal. If you guys need to see this process of taking it out, trust me, I have no problem doing it. Just likes, comments, and I got you guys. I hope that helps someone out. I'm just trying to save you guys some money, because like the customer seen, they thought it was a water pump, and they called the dealer up, and the dealer told them it was a $1,400 just to change the water pump. And I was like, I'm not allowing you guys to get ripped off by the dealer. So now the part itself, I got it from the dealer with the customer, and it costs us $70 something. I got $60. It was okay, but when I looked it up online, I seen it somewhere cheaper, probably like $30, $40, $50. I'm sorry, I don't know. Matter of fact, I'll put a link below so you guys can see it. Get y'all a clear name, description. So if you're not in a rush, you can go ahead and use the links down low, order yourself. Or hey, if you need your car done immediately, go to the dealer, pick it up, put it in. It's a very simple process. Take a person who's not really a mechanically inclined, it'll probably take them a little over an hour to do it, but it's simple, very simple. God bless. Amen.